What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers. I do not have an investment trading program. Please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks. When you open a new Webull brokerage account, put at least 1 penny in that account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks. So if you're interested in that offer, there's a link down in the description box of the video. Click on that Webull link, open up that new account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. Well, guys, it's been a wild couple of weeks in the market. 2 weeks ago, we saw companies starting to rebound somewhat and having pretty good upward momentum as it relates to their per share stock price. Then this week, we see them lose all of that momentum in one day. And for me, man, that's a pretty telling sign of what we can look forward to over the next year, the next 2 years, right? As I've mentioned in other videos, guys, this market we're in, whether it be our economy, whether it be the stock market, whether it be the crypto market, whether it be the housing market, all of those markets are going to be very volatile, guys, because of inflation. With inflation as high as it is, and with our Federal Reserve aim is to decrease inflation, and the way they're going to do that is through increasing short-term interest rates, you're going to see all of these markets be extremely volatile. So I want to talk to you folks who have been sending me DMs on Instagram, dropping comments down in the comment section of the videos, and asking the question, what should I be doing? So I want to address that for a young person, for a middle-aged person, and for an older person. And again, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I would do at all three of these stages in my life. So if I'm a young person and I'm, 18 to, 30 years old, and I got a zero net worth, and I'm trying to figure out a way how to build wealth and be able to control 100% of my time, be able to control my financial destiny, then the first thing I'm going to do is look for ways to create what? Income. Multiple streams of income. So if I got a primary job and I'm making some money there, guess what? In my downtime, I should be looking for side hustles. DoorDash, Uber, doing something online to flip products and services to make money. Whatever I got to do to create multiple streams of income, I'm going to do. I'm not going to take my downtime and become a consumer. I want to take my downtime and I want to be a producer. I want to make sure I control my expenses. I don't want to create all this income and then turn right around and go out and spend it all making somebody else wealthy. I need to make income. I need to control my expenses by not buying things that are wants. I only buy things that are needs, things that are necessary to life. Once I do those two things, the third thing I want to start thinking about is, now how do I multiply my money that I'm earning and keeping? How do I multiply it, right? How do I take that money and put it in an asset that will grow it for me over time and build net worth for me? That's the third thing you got to start thinking about if you're 18 to 30 years old. One of the ways you do that is through the stock market. Right now, everything's on sale. Everything's at a discount. Guys, The way you build wealth is buy assets when they're on sale or when they're heavily discounted. And if they're good assets, you hold them until they appreciate in value again. So I bought them low at a low value. As they appreciate in value over the years, now I can sell them at a high value, or I can keep that asset and generate income from it. Let's move on to folks that are 30 years old to 50 years old. And that's a sweet spot for me because when I was 30, I had a decision to make. I said to myself, you know something, man, I'm going to run hard for 20 years, from 30 to 50. But when I get to 50 years old, I want to be able to kick back and do whatever I want to do and not have to worry about financially, how am I going to take care of myself? 30 to 50, this is where we do what? We really build wealth. Now we got to accelerate our financial pathway. And the way we accelerate it is we got to really start plowing money into assets, not just stock market assets, but also real estate assets, real estate that actually generates income, real estate that actually appreciates in value and continues to grow our net worth, right? So that's what we should be doing. We also should be considering maybe starting a business. If I got a skill set that I've learned and I can solve problems for people with that skill set, then I should be thinking about how do I scale that skill set to really, really make a lot of money. Because what I'm trying to do is between 30 and 50, I'm trading time for money, but I want to trade time for money with my active income and then turn that active income into what? Passive income through assets. So that's what I should be doing. Again, real estate for income, and I prefer residential real estate, 1 to 4 family dwellings. And what I did, I started buying single family homes every 2 years. I would buy one and I'd put a tenant in that property, made sure I bought in really good locations, right? That's the key to real estate appreciation, is buying in the right location. So I would buy in the right location and I would just add one of those properties. My goal was to add one every 2 years. I didn't worry about the cash flow to take care of me because I was already had active income coming in to take care of me. So the only thing I really was trying to do was grow what? The appreciation of those properties to create what? Net worth. And then also to double down, I started dollar cost averaging into the stock market, into my favorite ETFs, into my favorite index funds, into my favorite individual stocks. I started dollar cost averaging, small amount of money, but I was doing something. I was getting my mind right, my behaviors with money right. So I had the stock market thing going and I had the real estate thing going because I knew by 50 years old, I wanted to be done. So I would recommend to you guys 30 to 50 who already have done the other things from 18 to 30 that I talked about, and you're really ready to accelerate your net worth, real estate for income, stock market, start a business. Those are the 3 things that can do it. Now let's move on from 50 years old to your golden years. What should you be doing? Well, you should be in the enjoyment stage of wealth. At 50 years old plus, you should be in the enjoyment stage of wealth. From 18 to 50, you should have been doing what? Building your wealth. So by the time I got to 50 years old, guys, I had accumulated enough assets that I could consider myself in the enjoyment stage of wealth, where I'm able now to do whatever I want to do. And I want that for you. We're not put here, guys, to work, from 18 years old to 65 years old. We're not put here to do that. That's not what I believe. I believe our Creator, I believe God put us here to flourish, right? And have the choice to work to 65, not be forced to work to 65, right? But unless we make the right choices from 18 to 50, right? If we make the right choices, then we're able to take advantage of the enjoyment stage of wealth at 50 years old plus. And that's what I was able to do. And that's what I want from you. But you got to take care of business, guys. It's not going to fall out of the sky and hit you on top of the head. No one's going to come knock on your door and hand you $1 million check. It's not going to happen. You're going to have to get out and hustle every single day. Make money. You're going to have to keep money, and then you're going to have to multiply money. And if you do that, by the time you're 50, you've got the choice whether you want to continue trading time for money or you want to just kick back and have a really good lifestyle that you built and is going to be paid for by your assets. Well, guys, that's what it's all about. It's all about lifestyle, right? Nothing wrong with working, nothing wrong with busting your butt. But at some point, I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to be able to do the things that are important to me without having to worry about income. And I want that for you too. So drop me some comments and let me know what you think about the video. Also, if you want those 12 free stocks from Webull, like I said, man, click on that link down in the description box. Open up that Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.